Hi, I'm Stefan, Application Technician, LIQUI MOLY USA. We're going to talk some more about additives today, about how you can make your car last longer. We all know that when cars wear, when engines wear, sometimes they start using oil and burning oil. Some cars do it more than others. But we have a solution that can help you cut down on that or eliminate it completely. Motor oil saver just needs to be added to the oil in the engine, preferably when you have just changed the oil, when the oil is new. What this does is it helps rejuvenate the seals inside the engine by softening the material and swelling it ever so slightly so that they work almost like new. Just add it, like I said, start the engine, let it warm up. 200-300 miles later, this will have reached its full effect, and you should see a difference in oil consumption. So the benefits are less oil consumption, less money spent, less repairs. All right? To get a better effect, even better than just adding this, you use our complete engine oil package. Use an approved oil for your car, and before you change out the oil, you use our engine flush to clean out the inside of the engine. This will also help with oil consumption because it'll free up the piston rings and make sure they don't stick in the ringlands, which keeps oil out of the combustion chamber. All right? Come back next time and we'll talk some more about additives.